So we didn't go to a live auction this week because there was nothing handy.
It's the back road bidder.
We went to Hibid and I won some lots. That was actually the last time I won online auction at this auction.
Yeah, that was the last time we did a pickup here.
Yep.
It's been a few years.
All I got was one lot with some Batman cups. Holly auction.
I'm gonna have to take a peek, see what they have. See if they have anything good.
Guess you will. I haven't been here in a long time, Mars.
All right, you can follow me.
Cool, thanks, Doc.
Yes. So what I'm going to ask you to do is just read the lot numbers, and you can do things over here.
All right, phase 2 is we're going into Bricks and Minifigs. It's a Lego store. My son's already in there. And then phase 3 is we go back to the auction house because they texted me and said I missed a couple of flats. So I don't know if I can video in this store. We'll see. All right, I'm down here in the Doom Cave of Doom to take a look at the haul. I'm pretty happy. For $55, I think I got a lot of good things. Let's take a look. First up, I got these Rugrats ornaments. Angelica, Chucky, and Tommy. They're from 1998, and they're by Roush Industries. I need a magnifier because I'm old. I paid $6 for this lot of die-cast cars. These two are from 1979, and this is a funny car. For some reason, I can't open the top to it. Like, it's supposed to lift up a little more, and it feels like it's stuck on something, and I don't want to force it. But anyway, oh, his little fin is bent. Beep beep. It's rubber though. Excellent condition for 1979. This is I think 85, missing the front wheels. Those two are also from the 80s, those Matchbox. Got these 3 willow trees for $7. I actually thought they'd be bigger. They're only, what, like 5 inches tall, the biggest one. They looked bigger in the pictures. You got these 2 figurines by, it's Andrea by Sadek. Or Sadek, S-A-D-E-K. They're in beautiful condition. Paid $1 a piece for those. These came from the Ceramics Art Studio in Madison, Wisconsin. Very pretty, very good shape. I don't know the value, because hey, what would I? I know what they cost me. $2 each. That's $4 total if you're keeping score. They called these Friendship Cups and Saucers. This one just says Made in Occupied Japan. What is this one? Royal Edinburgh, maybe? Grantham. They're different brands, of course. Dresden. And I got 2 of them by this name. And I don't know how you say that. Cololo? Made in England. I'll invite my friends over for some tea. I'll make scones. I got these 5, I don't know, statuettes, busts, whatever you want to call them. They're like 8 inches tall each, 8 to 9 inches. These outside ones are by Kendrick, and these 3 in the middle are Napco. Again, everything's in excellent condition. 1971, what a great year. And let's see, what did I pay for these beauties? The Napcos, the Napcos I paid about $2 a piece. And the Kendricks I paid $3 a piece. These are also made by Ceramic Art Studio. So I'm guessing they came out of Madison, Wisconsin as well. Couple fancy people. I would love some tea, ma'am. More scones. Got a couple lots of costume jewelry. One was $2, the other was $4. I don't even know which is which. pour some of these out, see what's in there. Trying not to make a bigger mess than I already have. Those are some fancy cufflinks. Holy mackerel. Oh, that's a necklace. Let's see what's in the Avon box. Oh my gosh. Well, that's weird. A 2000 pin at midnight. This one looks like it's all, wait, it's all necklaces. I swear there was a brooch or two in there. There's my jewelry. I feel pretty. And the last item I got was this heavy glass paperweight. I paid up for that a little bit, $6. Big money, big money. I know these can be very popular and can be worth a lot. I don't know about this one. There you have it, folks. Proof that Chuck should not be allowed on the internet, unsupervised. Hopefully I did all right. Let me know what you think. Subscribe if you haven't. Keep watching and keep reaching for the stars. It's recording, Mars.
Okay.
No, it's recording you, idiot.
Idiot. Let's try again.
Books are things that have words on them, and they're in pages, and basically you stare at them and hallucinate fun things happening.
I'm gonna have to do some serious editing to make us not look stupid now.